You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced more correct pronunciations, you found the right channel. I'll link to a few videos for you can learn from. The German pronunciation here is as Kraus, Kraus. Therefore, in English, it's generally pronounced as Kraus, Kraus. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know where you're from and how you pronounce it, so we can learn your pronunciation. Kraus or any other pronunciation, let us know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.